So what is up, guys? CardMechanic here. Now, you probably didn't expect this video, but here it is. Now, you may be saying to yourself, wow, what an amazing background. But in fact, it's just a green screen. Watch. That's it. I don't even need a snap, and it just changes. I know, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I just like the snap because I feel cooler. Also, what do you guys think of this shirt, though? I think I like it a lot. And I'll definitely be doing a giveaway for this shirt at 2K subscribers. Not this shirt, but a shirt similar to this one. So I'll be doing a giveaway. So if you're a short-term subscriber, stay a longer term. But all that aside, the main reason I made this video was to talk about the Featuring You series. So for the month of May, I have picked out one video that I want you guys to perform on your channel. And it's not like a super easy card trick, but it's going a bit more towards the harder side of easy. So you may need to practice a little bit before, doing your submissions. Because I know some of you submitted like pretty early, like the next day, which is pretty awesome. But you may not be able to do that here. So now let me roll my performance of the trick. Roll the performance. Now check this out. I'll start by giving the deck a few cuts. And then I'll have a spectator select 2 cards by cutting the deck. So let's say the first cut is here. So that's 1 card selected, King of Diamonds. And 1 more cut, let's say here. And Ace of Spades. Pretty solid cards. I'll take these cards, put them here. I'll spread the deck out and put them randomly into the deck. So let's say take King of Diamonds, put it here. King of Spades, Ace of Spades, sorry, put it here. Put those 2 there. And just to show you, they are going into the deck. No funny business going on here. Now here's where the magic happens, right? I'll take half the deck, do my best to get half. Okay, pretty close, pretty good, pretty good. So I'll take these cards, put them face up, and I have these cards face down. Now I'll shuffle the face up cards into the face down cards. So boom, there we go. I'll shuffle that right in there. And now this is going to be really cool. This is going to be really cool. I'll give the deck a few cuts. Okay, now this is really cool. When I spread all these cards out, you'll see all of the face-up cards are red except 1 card, which is one of the cards you picked, the Ace of Spades. And now if I turn the deck over and I spread it out, you'll see all the cards face up are black except the 1 card that you picked, the 1 red card, the King of Diamonds. What a performance. What a performance. Now, of course, the link to that video will be in the description, so you can go, click on the link and see the performance again and the tutorial, so, you can watch it as many times as you want, go crazy. The more you watch it, the more I will like you. Also, since I don't want to make the Featuring You video very long, I'm only going to be featuring 5 performances. So I'm going to pick my favorite 5 performances and then feature you guys on my channel. And my #1 favorite performance will win a free deck of cards. So that's pretty exciting. And as of right now, I don't know what the deck of cards is, but by the time I edit my stuff and I figure out what deck of cards it is, then I'll put it like here in my hands. So just a couple quick things for entry. 1, make sure you perform the right trick. Because if you perform the wrong trick, that's the wrong trick. Don't do that. The second thing is once you have that recorded and all good to go, upload it on your YouTube channel. And number 3, send me a link to your performance in my email. I'll put the email in my, what's that thing called? Description. So make sure to send me an email of your performance link. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys. And I'm really looking forward to seeing your performances. So what are you waiting for? Just go do it. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.